Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the new elegant Google Pixel 5 XL render surface with a punch hole display and a dual camera setup. The dual camera setup is similar like the Google last year launched Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL. A couple of days ago we saw a render of what elegantly Google Pixel 5, and today it's the Pixel 5 XL that has popped up. I make a video about the Google Pixel 5, but this is the new rumor says the CAD render of the Pixel 5 XL come from Twitter user xleak7 in collaborate with a Pic2 website who also brought us the non-pro Pixel 5 renders. I'll make a video on the Pixel 5. You can check it out, that video on my channel. As you can see, the two phones look quite similar. A display with a punch hole in the top left corner for the selfie camera and a fingerprint reader on the back, keeping company to the dual camera setup. Place it inside a square shaped module in the upper left corner. The source does not reveal the spec of the rear camera, but one of them appears to have an ultra wide angle lens. The Pixel 5, like the Pixel 5 XL, has a volume rocker and power button. Place it on the right side with a USB Type-C port located to the bottom and 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. The Google Pixel 5 XL measure 153.8 by 74 by 8.5mm, and the thickness goes up to 9.5mm if we include the camera bump. That said, the Pixel 5 XL we are looking at right now has a rear design that in a streak contrast with what we saw back in February with the triple rear cameras, but the source of that leak had said that three were a total of 3 prototype of the Pixel 5 XL, with the 2 having a square shaped camera module on the back side. The authenticity of the latest Pixel 5 XL render is hard to confirm since they come from a relatively new source. For what it worth, people with a proven track record claim that Google has not decided anything about the Pixel 5 lineup yet, and there is little clarity about it, so don't take anything for creation yet. Of course, these are leaks and rumors. Let's see in upcoming days that Google is not officially say about the latest upcoming Google Pixel 5 series. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos, and make sure to enable that bell notification so you do not miss my any uploaded video notification. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.